Okay, as always, I give you guys the option every time I start one of these 1.5 liter Ecoboost engines. I'm going to be doing a block in this one. It came in low coolant level. If there's any questions that you have on this engine at all, I'll be available. So while I'm going through this, if there's something specifically you want me to make a video about, I'm not opposed to making a video on it. So please get a hold of me, let me know what you're looking for, and low coolant level. There was a misfire code P0302, which is cylinder 2. Let me get this off of here. I'm going to start draining all the fluids tonight, so I'm ready for it tomorrow. Start pulling stuff apart. P0302 was set on cylinder 2 right here. And tomorrow we're just going to start getting everything out. Actually, I'm probably going to pull airbox and stuff in the battery and everything out of it tonight. Start getting the fluid drained tonight. And then tomorrow I'll start getting it ready to drop the engine down on the stand. But again, if there's anything you guys need, questions you want me to focus on, a specific area you want me to focus on, I need you to get a hold of me and let me know, because typically I do one of these, I put the feeler out, and then 2 days later people are like, oh, I wanted you to do this, and then, well, why didn't you ask me when I was pulling the engine apart? I could have showed you. So, as always, I want to give you guys answers to the questions. Today I've been bombarded with questions and emails. I've got back to everybody so far. 2 people asked me questions, and then I had questions for them in order for me to give them an answer, and then they don't ever get back to me. And one of them has been several days. I can't help that. That's not on me. So I would appreciate it if people don't get frustrated with me when I reach out to you and take my time to get back to you, and then you don't get back to me and you're the one that needs the help. Let me know, guys. Let me know what you need. Remember, I'm here to help you. I'm here to do whatever needs to be done to get the job done right. So anyhow, let me know.